So from today, our new migration and economic development partnership will mean that anyone entering the UK illegally, as well as those who have arrived illegally since January the 1st, may now be relocated to Rwanda.
More than 28,500 people were detected arriving on small boats in 2021, according to the Home Office. 75% were adult males aged 18 to 39. And out of 14,758 asylum applications in the year ending September 2021, 64% were successful, with grants of asylum, humanitarian protection or other forms of leave to remain. This is the kind of place where asylum seekers will be sent to. Sites like this, which was once a hostel for tourists visiting Rwanda, are being converted, ready to receive migrants. The Home Secretary, Priti Patel, has been finalising the deal in the country's capital, Kigali.
The British people are fair and generous when it comes to helping those in need. But the persistent circumventing of our laws and immigration rules and the reality of a system that is open to gaming and criminal exploitation has eroded public support for Britain's asylum system and those that genuinely need access to it.
The arrangement means successful asylum seekers will be resettled in Rwanda, with the British government paying for up to 5 years of support. Labour say the plan will not stop people from trying to enter the UK illegally.
Well, we've been saying for some time that we need to have joined up arrangements with our partners in France. We need a much better Home Office streamlining of applications, but there's no getting away from this today. This is a desperate attempt by the Prime Minister to distract from his own law breaking and the whole Partygate scandal.
And the decision to send asylum seekers to Rwanda, a country whose own human rights record has recently been criticised, is being questioned.
Only a couple of years ago did we see a number of asylum seekers being shot dead for protesting about their conditions in Rwanda. We know that the UN Committee on Torture had to withdraw from looking at detention sites because of intimidation of persons in Rwanda who were detained. So essentially, it's really impossible, in fact, to see how this could be lawful.
From today, the Royal Navy will also take operational command from Border Force to detect every boat that attempts to cross the Channel. But many are not convinced these measures will stop people risking their lives to reach Britain.